Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sort by date here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sorting by date in Smartsheet helps you organize your data chronologically, making it easier to manage deadlines, track project progress, and view task sequences. Now, once you are in this homepage, you might want to log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet where you want to sort by date. Alright, in this case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Now, once you are on this specific file, alright, you need to identify the column that contains the date values you want to sort by. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay. I'm going to rename this as how to sort by. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this one. Right click. And you see there's going to be a sort rows. You can assign to the date or end date and the duration. All right, that's one way. Now, another option that you can do is I'm gonna select this one again and click on sort rows. I can, of course, go to the duration and you can sort by ascending and then by. All right, you can put in the end date here, and of course you can put in the duration as well and just click on apply. And that's simple. You see that what happens? It's a very easy and a straightforward process that could arrange tasks in chronological order to create a logical workflow, making it easier to plan and execute tasks sequentially. All right. Now, keeping track of upcoming deadlines and milestones by sorting tasks or events by their due dates. This helps ensure that nothing is missed and deadlines are met. But of course, you can never sort rows here by date. You see, it only applies if you have entered a numerical values. All right, so you can only do that if you have something like this one. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.